2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki GSX250R. In the realm of motorcycles, the 2024 Suzuki GSX250R emerges as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending sporty design, manageable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those stepping into the world of riding, the GSX250R exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of beginner-friendly attributes and the thrill of sport bike riding. In 2024, the GSX250R continues to capture the imagination of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Sport bike styling with contemporary elegance. The Suzuki GSX250R boasts sport bike styling with a touch of contemporary elegance, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking a blend of style and accessibility. With its full fairings, dual headlights, and sleek profile, the GSX250R exudes a dynamic and modern presence on the road. Suzuki's meticulous attention to design ensures that the GSX250R not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the excitement of sport bike adventure. 2. Efficient parallel twin engine for progressive power. At the heart of the GSX250R lies an efficient 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and progressive performance. Suzuki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the thrill of sport bike riding. The GSX250R's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a dynamic platform for riders to explore different facets of motorcycling. 3. Lightweight chassis for nimble handling. Designed for nimble handling, the Suzuki GSX250R features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it easy for beginners to navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and enjoy the thrill of sport bike handling. The GSX250R's nimble design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the GSX250R features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright handlebar, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the GSX250R not only a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 GSX250R seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. A full-color LCD display, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the GSX250R's sporty character. Suzuki ensures that the GSX250R remains technologically advanced, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of dynamic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki GSX250R stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its sport bike styling, nimble handling, efficient parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying spirited rides on open roads, the GSX250R encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level sport bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling, the 2024 Suzuki GSX250R rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.